welcome to Granny's Crochet. Today I'm gonna show you how to crochet this beautiful rose flower granny square. For this you can use any yarn you have or you like, a pair of scissors, crochet hook of 5mm size or any size you have, yarn needle, stitch marker. If you don't have, you can use hairpins or scrap piece of yarn. First we'll make flower, so step 1, make chain 4. Slip stitch in reverse chain to form ring. You can use magic circle also. Chain 1. Now make 8 single crochet in the center of this ring. This is my first one. Mark your first single crochet not to get confused in the end. And then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and last 8. Remove the stitch marker and make slip stitch in reverse single crochet to complete this round. Step 2, make chain 1 and make 1 single crochet in the first stitch. Mark this one, chain 2, make 1 single crochet in the next stitch, chain 2, 1 single crochet in the next stitch, and again chain 2. Repeat this pattern all over until you reach the end. In the end, make chain 2 and make slip stitch in reverse single crochet. Step 3, insert your hook in this chain 2 space and make 1 single crochet. Mark this single crochet. Now make 3 half double crochet in this space. If you don't know how to make half double crochet, you can check my previous video. Now make 1 more single crochet in the same space. Do same in the next space, that is 1 single crochet, 3 half double crochet and 1 more single crochet, all in same chain 2 space to form the petal. So this is my first petal and this is my next petal. Repeat this pattern all over until you reach the end. In the end, make chain 1. In the end, you will have 8 petals total. Now make slip stitch around single crochet back post of step 2. So insert your hook from behind like this. Grab the yarn and carefully make slip stitch. Step 4, make chain 1 and make 1 single crochet around single crochet back post of step 2 like you did slip stitch like this. Make chain 3. Do same on next petal, that is make 1 single crochet around single crochet back post of step 2. Grab the yarn like this. Make 1 single crochet, chain 3. Again make single crochet around single crochet back post of step 2, chain 3. Repeat this pattern all over until you reach the end. In the end, make slip stitch in reverse single crochet to complete this round. Step 5. Insert your hook in this chain 3 space and make 1 single crochet. Now make 5 double crochet in this chain 3 space. This is my first one, second, third, fourth, and then fifth. Make 1 single crochet in the same chain 3 space. Now this is new round for petals. Do same on next chain 3 space, that is 1 single crochet, 5 double crochet and 1 more single crochet, all in same chain 3 space to form the next petal. Repeat this pattern all over until you reach the end. In the end, make chain 1 and again make slip stitch around single crochet back post of step 4 like this. Grab the yarn and make slip stitch. Step 6. Make chain 1 and make 1 single crochet around single crochet back post of step 4 like this. Make chain 3 and again make 1 single crochet around single crochet back post of step 4, chain 3 again, and again a single crochet. Repeat this pattern all over until you reach the end. Slip stitch into first single crochet to complete this round. Cut the yarn, make chain 1 and pull this string. So this is flower. Now we'll make leaves. So insert your hook in any chain 3 space and grab the green color or any color you like for the leaves. Step 7. Make chain 3. Now make double crochet 2 together in this chain 3 space. If you don't know how to make double crochet 2 together, you can check my previous video. The link is in the description box below. Then make chain 3. Now in the next chain 3 space, make triple crochet 3 together. Again, if you don't know how to make this, you can check my previous video. The link I'll give in description box below. Now make chain 5. And again make triple crochet 3 together in the same chain 3 space. So yarn over twice. Insert your hook, grab the yarn over, pull through first 2, yarn over next 2, yarn over twice again, grab the yarn, pull through first 2, then next 2. You will have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over twice again, grab the yarn, pull through first 2 loops and then next 2 loops. You will have 4 loops behind. Yarn over, pull through all loops. So this is triple crochet 3 together. Now make chain 3 and again in the next chain 3 space make double crochet 2 together and then chain 3 and again triple crochet 3 together. Repeat this pattern all over until you reach the end. In the end, make chain 3 and slip stitch on top of chain 3. Chain 1 and cut the yarn. So this is leaf. Now for the corner, insert your hook in chain 3 space before this triple crochet 3 together and grab new color, any color you like or you have. Step 8, make chain 3. This will count as your first double crochet. Now make 3 more double crochet in the same chain 3 space. Total 4 double crochet including chain 3. Now make 3 double crochet in this chain 5 space between these 2 triple crochet to form the corner. Chain 2 and 3 more double crochet in the same chain 5 space to form the corner. Now make 4 double crochet in this chain 3 space. And 4 double crochet in the next chain 3 space. Again form a corner, that is 3 double crochet, chain 2 and 3 more double crochet all in same chain 5 space. Repeat this pattern all over until you reach the end. In the end, make slip stitch on top of chain 3. Step 9, make chain 3. Make 1 double crochet in each stitch across until you reach the corner. Now make 2 double crochet, chain 2 and 2 more double crochet in this chain 2 space to form the corner. Chain 2 and 2 more double crochet, 1 and then 2. Now continue making 1 double crochet in each stitch across until you reach the next corner. do same in the next corner, that is 2 double crochet, chain 2 and 2 more double crochet all in same chain 2 space to form the corner. Repeat this pattern all over until you reach the end. In the end, make slip stitch on top of chain 3 to complete this round. Step 10. Make chain 1 and make 1 single crochet in the first stitch. Chain 3. Skip the next stitch and make 1 single crochet in next 2 stitches. Chain 3. Skip the next stitch and make 1 single crochet in next 2 stitches. Chain 3 again. Skip the next stitch and make 1 single crochet in next 2 stitches. Now in the corner, make chain 5. Skip this chain 2 space and make 1 single crochet in next 2 stitches. Make chain 3 again. Skip the next stitch and make 1 single crochet in next 2 stitches. Repeat this pattern all over until you reach the end. In the corner, make chain 5 and skip chain 2 space. So this next corner. Make chain 5. Skip this chain 2 space and make 1 single crochet in next 2 stitches. Chain 3. Repeat this pattern all over until you reach the end. In the end, make chain 3 and slip stitch in reverse single crochet to complete this granny square. Now make chain 1 and cut the yarn. Hide all the ends. So this is the final look of Roseflower Granny Square. Hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching.